Welcome, my name is Steve Worcester. I am the founder, inventor, shipper, accountant, everything at turningwood.com. And one of the things we like to do is solve some problems. And one of them is disk storage. So for disk storage, we had a product previously that was the disk tower. And now the new version, as you can see, the new version is considerably larger than the old version. And what that allows you to do is more easily put in disks. So each floor, as I call them, since it's a tower, each floor, it will hold about 60-ish disks of lower grits like 80, 120, but a heck of a lot more once you get to the top. In this case, I have 80. Yeah, let's see. In this case, I have 80, 120, 150, 180, 240, 320, 400, 600. This is a 4-high tower. And let's look at it individually. So the top and the bottom have magnets on the back. The bottom itself has magnets, so you could attach that to a metallic surface there. And it's modular in that you're going to have a bottom piece that has the magnets on the bottom, and then it's held together by stainless all thread. And then you put the version with the magnet on the bottom. They lock together. And for a 4-high version, you're going to have 2 pieces that have no magnets in them. And then you're going to have a magnet version on the top. They snap together. And then you're going to put our logoed top on there. And then we have knobs with screws on them, screws down, and these are all 1/4-20. Everything is made in-house except for the metal hardware and the magnets. So this would give you the ability to hold 8 flavors of your favorite sandpaper, 8 grits. We can also do special colored versions, like this. It uses a translucent red on the top and the bottom. We can do different colored floors if you like. It's no extra charge, it just takes a little bit longer. So we have these in 2-inch and 3-inch versions. These are for our 2-inch discs we cut in-house that are exactly 2 inches, but you could go a little bit oversized because of the extra space in there, and the 3-inch as well. Now, with the magnets, you can stick it to any magnetic surface. You could put it on the bed of your lathe if you want, but this is really more of a storage. It isn't really a point of place, a use in place product. For the use in place product, we have our disc holder. So what you would do here is put your discs in there in the reverse order you want to use them. You're going to put your 80 on top, 120, 180, 240, 320, what have you. And then as you use them on the lathe, you put it from one side to the other. Now for storage, obviously we're going to want to be able to mount this if I don't have a metallic surface. So what we have is our mounting kit. This is available separately. We don't currently include hardware, but it uses number 8 screws, pan heads, and it's made so that you can mount it to a stud, or that you could mount it to drywall by using whatever these are called. I don't know. But number 8 screws. And then when you want to move the tower, so it has the magnet stick on there. And then if this were on the wall, You would just take this, pull this off the wall and go refill it, put it in place, use it to fill up your disc holder, what have you. They're currently available on the website in 2-high and 3-high. And if you would like different colors, fine, let us know. And if you have the color, be happy to make it for you. Customize it to your fave. If you have questions or comments, then go ahead and put them here or send them to steve@turningwood.com. And I look forward to helping you out with all of your abrasive and tool needs. Have a great day.